Hi, I'm going to do a giveaway for KnitCrate yarn, and to participate make sure you're a subscriber and also comment down below something you're working on or a video you would like to see. If you sign up under me, you can get your first month 20% off. Put in your promo code JEWEL20 and all links are down below. You get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet every month for $24.99. If you haven't already, join my Facebook group and page. All links are down below. On Amazon, I have my crochet hats for beginners, crochet for beginners. Both have Kindle and both have paperback now. I'm adding Audible to them soon in the next month or so, and I will let you know. In my Etsy store, I added 4 crochet instant download printables. I have OCD, obsessive crochet disorder stickers. I have 2 hats. Or 2 shirts. This is how I roll. One comes in the white and then the black with many colors. Here's all the colors. I'm going to show the blue one soon. And then I have a goal planner printable, thank you cards for your business printables, a habit tracker printables, and some mugs and some patterns, which is the mask, the virus poncho, and the heart. And all links are down below. Okay, so let's see what the yarn looks like. Hi, I'm going to do a giveaway for KnitCrate for 2 skeins of yarn, and if you'd like to join, the promo code to join is JEWEL20. You get 20% off your first month, and all links are down below. To be a part of this giveaway, I just ask that you subscribe and comment down below, and then I'll pick a winner in a couple of weeks. Just come on back and see if you're the winner. And I have a Facebook group and page that are down below if you're not already joined. And this is a really pretty vibrant green, and it's wool, baby alpaca, silk, very, very nice colors. So if you'd like to join with the KnitCrate, the links are down below, and I have the Facebook group and page. Just be a subscriber, comment something down below, crochet related, then I'll pick a winner in a couple of weeks. Thank you for watching.